Across some of Australia's most expansive landscapes are the people who live and work with it every day.
The station covers 149,000 hectares.
A small pastoral lease, it's about 125,000 acres.
So we run 12,000 breeding cows.
We've been a full-time cattle station. We cover an expanse of just over 1 million acres.
Many Australians have forgotten about our land. When we think about Australia these days, we think about beaches and our towns and cities, our famous landmarks. We've forgotten about that whole notion of Australia is out on the land.
I'm delighted that the International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists was declared for 2026. They're areas that need national recognition.
So pasture-lands and rangelands cover 3/4 of this nation. Here at the Royal Australian Meet, we really want to celebrate Australian stories, and there is no more Australian story than that bush legend. So in the International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists, we really wanted to take that opportunity to celebrate those people, those communities out on that land, working that land for us.
The recognition of having a coin, it gives us an opportunity to showcase the hard work that the people of the rangelands do in caring for the vast outback of Australia.
The International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists, the heart and soul of Australia.